Shenanigans, shenanigans. I love doing shenanigans. Shenanigans, shenanigans. I love doing shenanigans.
So, we're back in another video. Okay? We're trying to...
By the way, thumbnail check.
I've never thought I would be using a pipe. Stop that.
Me neither.
Duck!
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 Hey!
Duck, 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 duck.
Stop!
Stop. Stop. And wait a minute.
We're moving! We're moving!
Get
I'm
me,
moving!
Mr. Mayor.
I'm moving!
Hi, you can't get me. Too bad, too sad. I'm out of here. Whoa! That was a close one. Oh, that was an awesome close one. It's so scary. No, it's not safe. He's too high up.
Oh, right. What about multiple items in that? Get over here, bro.
I can't. He's coming fast.
Come over here, bro.
Oh yeah, crossbow. I've always wanted one of these. No, my grappler!
I literally was so close to hitting that thing. Do a replay of that thing. I was so close to hitting it.
Wait, why do I put that in my bag?
Why do you have a hard gun?
I don't know. I don't know anymore. I'm just bringing stuff. Wait for me. Coda! Woo!
I got a reason for it at least.
So scared. Keep them over there. I'm gonna mine this. I'm gonna mine these research points, okay? Keep them over there. Yeah, got one. I got another one. Yay! Alright, now we can go. Oh, never mind. I just want to get these really quickly.
It's so loud over here!
You're well, you monster! Kill him! You're well able!
No, I'm not.
How you are. You're one of the... You have 6 revolvers. You should be able to...
I actually have 5.
You got him? No, he isn't. No, you didn't. He's trying to get up here with me. Oh, let me out. Woo!
I got it.
Sheesh, capiche. That's amazing.
Deuce, Skadoosh, I'm in your poop. What? Did I just say
house.
that?
I'm in your house. Hi.
No.
He's coming for me. Big man can't get me.
What a big guy to say.
man. Shoe up.
I think he's friendly now. Go.
Oh my gosh, he's stuck. Woo!
Stuck.
I died.
How the hell did you die?
Ah! I'm an evil person. An evil man.
Are you a mimic?
Yeah.
A mimic?
Why else do you think they're all Coda? That makes no exact sense.
If you're a mimic, what's your name?
Coda.
Your name is actually Down Cup.
Mr. Man! Back here! Mr. Man! I will get you next time, Mr. Man. But for now, we will meet again. No, now I'm a good person. Now I'm a good fella. Look, Big Johns.
Big Johns are useful.
Where are you? How did you have a panic attack? Not doing that again. Never.
Straightforward. Just go straight forward from the
I looked at her for so long, I think I'm gonna die.
I think you should run.
No! Where'd it go? I dropped it. Whoa!
I love wheeling my
Oi.
wheels.
Oi! Back!
I'll take these things. Okay.
I'm taking the gold ones that's here. It doesn't really matter who takes the gold ones, to be honest, actually.
Guess what?
What?
Should I get the big backpack upgrade? Like the backpack upgrade? Or should I get the expanded, even more expanded pockets?
I don't know. Oh boy, a crossbow on the ground? I think it fell out of my bag. Dude, I swear, I keep touching it. No! I will avenge you. And I will get your stuff. I will never leave you to waste. Don't need this anymore.
Did you get the grappling hook? 1 second, Jones, I might ignore.
Funny. Nothing's funny right now. If you guys are bursting out laughing while you guys are watching this, there's something mentally wrong with you. Ah! 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 Oh! I'm about to die. There's no point trying. I just get these. Come on. Don't get me killed, Gluttony! Don't get me killed, Bethany. No! Hey, this will be useful. Skibop skidoo. Gotten so many research points. What's this? What is this? Well, I might as well bring it. Remind of it.